Comparing purchase invoices for the Apple parts you use and the labor reimbursement you receive every month with your own accounting records is a long, taxing manual task. However, it is vital to ensure that there are no mistakes that can have a negative impact on your operations profitability. With Fixably, you can automate these steps. Instead of hours or even days, it takes just a few minutes to check if there's a mismatch. You also don't have to go over these highlighted records one by one. With Fixably, you can create custom reports with only the mismatched lines, which you can use to respond to Apple. And the same happens with Apple labor reimbursements. Every time you use an Apple GSX part, Fixably will log the specific labor tier tied to that part in the system. So, when you copy Apple's reimbursement settlement into Fixably, you can identify if there was a mistake or a missing item in the monthly report. Apple Authorized Providers in the US, Canada, and Australia can fetch labor reimbursements from Fixably via the GSX integration. Logging the labor tier also enables Fixably to help you forecast income every month and add specific margins per labor tier. And these are just a couple of ways in which Fixably's GSX integration helps you run your Apple Authorized operation more efficiently and effectively.